We're here with Bekka and Bekka's Baked Goods. Bekka is very pregnant, but she's still making stuff for the Bitcoin Saturday market. So, Bekka, what do you got going on here?
I have some beautiful banana bread, some banana bread muffins, and my butterscotch cookies, which are almost sold out, and a special here, yellow plushie. I've got a few of these here as well, so yeah.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now, I want to buy some banana bread and your last thing of cookies here. So let's get this going with a Lightning transaction.
Beautiful. Then I will set up a quick Lightning invoice here. Receive, Lightning, add amount. And we have banana bread and some cookies. So I've got it in here. Generate invoice.
Perfect. I'm going to hit pay.
Bam.
There we go.
So easy. Beautiful.
Thank you so much,
Enjoy.
Bekka. Awesome, guys. I got my banana bread, I got my cookies. We're out of here. Thanks, Bekka.